Пришло тебе все. Пришло тебе.
Ага.
We not do big. Important that you understand how we divide.
Okay.
In about 1 centimeter
Diameter.
for 1 centimetro quadrato.
Square centimeters.
Hearing?
Okay. This is inch. This is 0.3.
We mix the two products. We must prepare.
Here. What do we mix?
You've got two products in the kit. You've got phase 1, phase 2. It's
Okay.
called. You can't mix. You have to mix them just before using them because the active ingredients start to work.
Okay.
Okay, so you can't use how many. It's everyone is different. Okay?
Okay.
Some people will get result in 2 times. Some people in 3. Some might need 4. But the main thing is it needs to be a week. or
When you
5
can
days.
start to see the results?
Give me quickly.
Quickly. After 3 days, probably. You can
Allora,
see.
the quantity of apoptosis is individual.
Yes.
I don't know how many cells go in apoptosis, but go. And, but this mechanism of apoptosis is quickly. In 4 days happen.
Do we need ice? Shall I bring some ice?
Maybe you
Yeah.
repeat after 7 days, you see what happened.
The 6
And
millimeter needle.
Yes, 6 millimeters. And go up to the end.
You put in the sender. We inject slowly.
Good.
Slowly.
And how much in a
Per
1 ml. It's good that
1 ml per point.
No, per
for
point.
point.
Does it hurt?
For this duodenum, we inject a lot of quantity.
Больно?
No, вообще нет.
Нет?
Я
очень терпеливая.
Это... Toxa 1 ml into 1 point or 0.1?
No, 1 ml.
1 ml.
So in this you will put 6 ml.
Huh?
Yeah.
1
In the
ml.
square, yeah. The whole square.
1 spot, 1 ml.
6 ml.
0.1.
You can use also, if you not have pratic, you
Yes.
can, it's better you use the needle of 4 ml.
Aha, okay.
Because you are sure is the superficial part of fat.
Just a little bit burning, just a little bit.
Yeah, burn it. It normally have edema because we inject 6 ml.
Ты, Жанна, стоит. Как-то ты...
Сколько в бутылочке идет? 5? Это всю бутылочку на один билет.
0,6.
Окей.
А не замеряем. Там от 3 поделено.
Здесь 2 и
Ty
9.
Знаешь? 0,6.
2 чи 18.
3.
Я скажу, сколько тебе надо. Если ты да, тебе надо их смешать. Только почему не отдельно?
I must repeat because this is 3 ml. I put half ml, 1 and half, 1 point and half. In every,
1.5, yeah.
you understand? Because in every Allora,
How much you can inject in one, for example, when you have a bigger area?
moment after.
Okay.
Huh? No, this no.
No?
Alexandra, wait.
Guys,
Thank you.
Allora, I change little position. You're not more. Renata, give me what the needle for.
4, okay.
Больно теперь?
Немножко жжет. Чуть-чуть.
Это сам препарат, то есть не сам кол.
Терпимо.
Ну, когда делает процедуру?
Нет,
Я-
когда
я-
стоит, он никогда не
Я
больно.
еще терпеливая. Есть люди, которые вообще не могут переносить. Я очень терпеливая,
Я.
поэтому...
It's near, yeah?
Okay.
So this is different technique?
First needle was 6,
This one now is 4. So for beginners like me, the needle should be just 4. Она
Ну, смотря как проколешь, если неаккуратно, именно от самого препарата. То есть я прописала.
Могли подарить ее окружно, у меня было бы супер, супер подарить.
You imagine, no? It's normal there is edema. All in this area we inject 6 ml. For this you must explain the
But you
person.
will have the redness.
She have a little edema, but no, go away, not problem.
What's the maximum girls asking you can inject?
Not too much. No practice. You are cosmetology. No must use
10.
a lot.
Shall we say 10?
10 is big.
10 is
Maybe you repeat.
More than enough.
Maybe you repeat another time. You do. Maybe you need to do also here. Maybe.
This is what I was thinking.
Listen,
Can you do
me-
it just
Mom.
here or everywhere?
No, no. Where is fat?
Like everywhere.
Everywhere, but you can do here, depending. Yeah.
As well?
Такой стебель.
For example, she has this if she has this area more fat. For example, like this.
Такие вот.
Good. Oh, for example, no. This no is not have this problem, but maybe someone
No, no good? Try this.
have this problem, you know? Yeah, this problem. Look. Okay, someone a big, no?
Okay.
It's fat.
Yes.
It's not you feel. You what to do? You do 1, 2, and 3 points. You inject and decrease the fat. After you maybe you do. Or sometimes it's here. The same. You do 1, 2. Or it's big here. You do you for 3, 4 points. No. 6 points. But cannot do all in all the same time. All.
At once.
Yeah, you understand?
Yes.
And it still will be 1 ml into each point.
In every point you 1 ml. You imagine I do sometime 20 ml, but she finishes like ball.
But how about the belly?
The body is different because not C and
So how much
20,
is the
20
is
ml, 30.
30.
You have a body is more big. Give
Yes.
me body. Body is
The body.
you have the body 40 and 5. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, total 50.
Okay.
50. You can do 25, 25. It's possible, but it's big.
Yes.
Imagine 25 ml, but body not give discomfort. Face,
So if you
So in
inject
each
to
point.
the body, does it 0.6 mils as well?
The needle.
1 mil. Oh.
No, the body you need a 9.
The
Needle.
Because the fat here is more,
Bigger.
you are bigger. 9 you are in the fat.
I use 12, is that okay?
12.